So, are you setting up your stream and you're just not sure what to make your profile picture? Should you use a picture of yourself? Should you use a logo? Or should you get a logo made so you can use that logo? If you're unsure, stay tuned because we're going to be talking about stream design and possibly even more design in the future here on How To Tech. Roll that intro. What's going on, guys? Chad here from How To Tech, the channel dedicated to helping you take your tech to the next level. And today we're going to be talking just for a brief bit about branding, because branding is super important, and specifically profile pictures, because I think a lot of people actually do this wrong. And we'll talk about a few of those things in the proper way to set up your profile picture so it's not confusing to an individual that goes and checks out your channel. So getting started first, what is the perfect profile picture? Well, technically there's not one. There is no perfect way to have the exact, this is the best profile picture I could possibly have, but we can go ahead and take out the guesswork of maybe that's not a great profile picture for me. So the first thing we want to talk about is individuals that are live streaming. So if you are the main focus of your content, it's not a company or a brand, then yes, you would market yourself as the brand. So you would want yourself as the profile picture. That way the people watching the stream or the people that click on it understand it's more of a personal type channel and it's not shared among a community or a corporation or a business. So that is definitely important. And on the opposite side of that, if you're a business, probably not a good idea to have a picture of a person unless one specific person is the face of that brand. And the reason why this is super important is because there's a lot of confusion that people can have if they go to your live stream and you are a person and it is a picture of a logo. For example, if they go to my channel and my name was Kyle and my profile picture is a Monster Energy logo, that's a little confusing to say the least. But if my name's Kyle and I like Monster and my profile picture is a picture of me maybe wearing a Monster t-shirt, that's better. But the main focus should be you, not a brand, unless you are a brand. On the flip side of that, if you were a company like Monster, your logo should probably not be an individual. It should probably be your actual company logo. So for example, if we were also to make a Twitch stream for How To Tech, it may be okay to use a picture of me, but it may be a little bit more confusing, especially if we have some of the other members that work here streaming on that channel. It would be very confusing. So we'd probably want to go ahead and use our logo. I hope that kind of breaks it down a little bit more, but let's talk about one other thing that just makes no sense. Don't use a meme as a profile picture. People do that. People use funny pictures that they find on the internet or Photoshop pictures that they find on the internet and use it as a profile picture. It is not the way to go. And I know this may sound very basic for some people, but these are the type of things that can really make or break somebody actually even just clicking on your profile, because once they click on it, if they do, it could be very, very confusing, or they may click on it thinking they're going to a company page and they're like, I don't want to watch an individual, or vice versa. They click on what looks like an individual's profile page and they go to this big company and they were looking for a smaller streamer or more of an individualized type of feel whenever they're going to that channel. Now, not to be said that big streamers don't use logos. A lot of them do, but the reason why it's okay is because people already know who these people are. They are big streamers for a reason. So some of these rules definitely may apply to you. They may not, depending on how large or small your live stream is, but this is one way to take your branding and make it less confusing for an individual coming over to your stream. So I hope this was useful for you and you could somehow apply this in the near future. So yeah, guys, that's going to be all for this video. If you enjoyed, you know what to do. Go ahead and destroy that like button and get subscribed here to How To Tech for more, hopefully, branding videos whenever it relates to streaming or YouTube and things of that nature. And if you're not already a member of How To Tech, go ahead and check it out in the description down below. You'll get early access to videos, discounts for merchandise, and also other mini perks and stuff like that to help support How To Tech. And thanks to all of our, members that are on the screen right now. Thank you guys so much for your support. And if you guys want to also check out our community Discord, it'll be linked down below as well. There is a community of over, I believe, 8,000 people on there, and it is great to go ahead and share your live streams and your YouTube videos in the respective channels, and even find other people to collaborate with and just hang out with and talk about games, talk about streaming, YouTube, and all of that cool stuff. And if you want to check out Insider merch as well. It'll be linked down below. Go ahead and take a look at that and maybe check out some of the How To Tech merch that we have. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Chad from How To Tech, helping you take your tech to the next level, and I'll see you guys in the next video.